can I download my connections on LinkedIn? Yes, you can, but it might not be as useful as it used to be in the past. What you can do is you can go to your LinkedIn profile, you click on your little face icon on your desktop, then you click on Settings and Privacy. Then you see right on that page, there is a button which says get a copy of your data. That's what you want to click. And then what you want to click, you click on the get the larger archive, and then you click request archive. And what's going to happen is you're going to get two notifications. One will be relatively quickly, sometimes almost immediately, where you get some basic content from your LinkedIn profile. And then you will get like another archive, which usually takes like 24 hours, which will contain the whole shebang, like all the media you ever uploaded on LinkedIn, every single conversation, every single message, every single picture that you sent to someone, every single link, every single invitation, like the entire archive of your user activity. And yeah, when you do this, you will be able to download your contact information. You will get a couple of columns, like it's kind of like an Excel spreadsheet or like a CSV file, which gives you like the first name and the last name field, and the name of the company and maybe the person's role title. But what you won't get is you won't get the email address from most people. And the reason is because LinkedIn recently changed that. In the past, by default, LinkedIn would share everyone's email address through this ability to download your contact information. So people use that and they spammed people. They would download, like, let's say 5,000 connections. So they download the 5,000 connection, add every single email address to their newsletter without asking them, and then just spam them with like messages. And because like too many people complain about this, LinkedIn changed it to you have to deliberately opt in. Like you have to go to your settings and you have to change the switch and say like, please include my email address when others want to download their data. And if you don't make this extra step, if you don't click on that, they will not see your email address. So by default, your email address is hidden. You actually have to take extra steps if you want other people to download your email address. And because of that, it's more or less useless. Some people use it to generate some email addresses by using the first name and the last name field and then looking up the company domain and like trying out different combinations. But all in all, yes, you can download your contacts, but it's not really that useful. You can't really sync it up with your contact. You can't really sync it up with your phone book. You can't really use it to get everyone's email address. Yeah, that's it. Now, if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing, also make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, my complete A to Z LinkedIn strategy from scratch system. And I'm going to put the link in the description and into the pinned comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.